President Emerson Mnangagwa recently announced that he plans to retire in 2028, adhering to constitutional limits. But is this retirement for real or just a strategic ruse? Let's break it down. So, Mnangagwa made this bold declaration in Mutare, saying he will step down after his second term. This announcement has sent ripples through Zimbabwe's political landscape, particularly within the ruling ZANU PF party. But ZANU PF Commissar Munyaradzi Machacha is still chanting the ED 2030 slogan. Which is it, Mr. President? Internal power struggles in ZANU PF are heating up. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is positioning himself as a strong contender to succeed Mnangagwa. On one side, Mnangagwa's supporters are pushing for him to extend his term beyond 2028. On the other, military figures and internal party factions are advocating for a transition of power. Zimbabweans have reacted strongly to recent comments by military officials suggesting they would force citizens to vote for ZANU PF. This undermines the democratic process and shows a blatant disregard for the rule of law. The backlash on social media has been fierce, with many calling for true democratic governance. So his declaration to retire in 2028 might be a way to appease both his critics and his supporters. But the mixed messages within the party raise deeper questions. Is this a genuine move towards a democratic transition? Or is it a strategic maneuver to buy time and quell mounting pressure from the military and party factions? Only time will tell. So, what do you think? Is Mnangagwa's retirement plan real or just another political ruse? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Until next time, stay informed.